Oh my gosh, I love that. I wish I would have had that. We're going to chat today about bridal hair and makeup. Amanda, what is your favorite part about the wedding?
If I can stay long enough to do a last look when the bride's got her dress on, she's checking herself in the mirror before she goes out, and just having that moment with her and just giving her those final touches and just seeing her light up.
I love that. I loved that moment for myself when it happened to me. What are some common myths about hair and makeup?
The biggest one is that people think that their hair is going to style better if it's dirty. And that is so false.
Really? Because I've heard that so many times.
Come with your hair 100% clean and dry. I mean, like, get up early in that morning if you have to clean it and dry it, if we're not going to do that in the salon. I can dirty it up with product and make it do what I want it to do much better if we don't have all the other oils and everything going on.
What are some of the styles and trends going on right now?
Updo is making a comeback. We've been into a lot of loose curls and braids and things like that, and I think we're moving a little bit more toward showing off your face and your facial features and your dress and getting some of that hair up off of your shoulders, and I think that that's coming back, and I'm excited, especially with us going into 2020. The whole thing in January was like we're moving back into the 20s, and so 1920s hairstyles started coming in, like the bob. I think a lot of people have cut bobs at the beginning of this year, so, and the finger wave I think could be a little bit more of a trend this year. People are getting more comfortable with color as well, as far as makeup, and not just muted natural palettes with makeup, and I think people are getting a little bit more confident with color. Yeah,
I think so too.
See a little bit bolder lip.
I hope so. That would be way fun.
I'm excited about
And like
that,
eye color too, right? Because when you think about bridal makeup, it is very like nude colors and neutral. It's a way that you should be able to like show your personality. And so what is your process from start to finish?
Yeah, the very first thing is a consultation. I like to schedule. I mean, I'll send out whatever information they need to make a decision. Refer them to my Instagram page, has a lot of work. At Amanda Payge Beauty. I'll send them there, and then sometimes they just find me there, so they've already seen all of that, and then they just want to know kind of pricing, so we can go over that. And then I like to really have at least a video chat consultation, if not an in-person consultation, so that I can really see them and kind of, this sounds a little funny, but see kind of mannerisms and like just personality coming out, so that I can see what they're like, because I want to make them feel more like themselves and more confident. Then I'll send out a contract, and after that we schedule a trial if they're going to do one, which I highly encourage everybody to get a trial.
Definitely.
And usually I like to tell them to do maybe a bridal photo shoot or something, so that it doesn't go to waste, right?
Yes.
They actually have somewhere to go, and somewhere to be seen afterward. And then, the day of the wedding, we just keep in touch and see if anybody has questions, if we're arranging bridal party, hair and makeup as well, or if it's just a special occasion and they're doing a one-day thing. Then,
Do you have any tips, like, before they meet with you as far as skincare goes or hair care?
If they're not a client of mine or not already doing their color, their treatments and things like that, then I'll recommend that they do that. And then I highly recommend getting facials or having a regular skincare routine and targeting their problem areas for at least a month before the wedding. Do it in any way you can. Whatever your budget is, there's ways to take care of your skin, and then drink lots of water.
That's good. I remember like on my wedding, a week before I got like my eyebrows waxed and everything like waxed on my face, and I broke out really bad. So like on my wedding day, I had like a major breakout.
Some people get waxed for their first time for their wedding. They don't usually wax their face, and so you don't know if you're going to break out. So if you're one of those, I would err on the side of caution.
Yes.
Honestly, once the engagement happens, I would just do a test run of that. For your first few times of waxing, it's typical to break out.
What services do you usually offer?
There's a little welcome packet I'm just putting together now, so that's new.
That's awesome.
I'm incorporating touch-up kits.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to start doing centering and breath work in the beginning and the end for my brides on their wedding day to calm nerves.
Oh my gosh, I love that. I wish I would have had that.
And I just started realizing that it's more important because the brides that I had last year were amazing, but a lot of them were stressed and they had situations, especially this year coming out of everything the world's going through right now. I feel like there might be a little bit of anxiety, so we're going to incorporate that in the beginning and the end.
I love that. So,
I do too.
Yes. Can I just get that like every morning?
Right? I found that I am so much more pleasant to be around if I do something like that for myself. Right? If I start my day out like that, I am a more pleasant person to be around.
It's so true. Yeah, I started doing like meditation and it helped a lot. It's so good.
Yeah.
What can our couples expect the average cost of hair and makeup is, and what do you charge?
$150 to $300, depending on who you're using, I think.
And that's for like the wedding day, right? Yeah. Like nothing else. Okay, cool.
My prices are $220. The trial is $111. So I cut the price in half because I want everybody to get a trial. I think it's so important. And for bridal parties, it ranges from anywhere from $80 to $100 for the style and for the makeup. I
want to talk more about that trial because I got a trial and I used it for like my first look session. And so there's like something specific that I know that I wanted, but looking back at the pictures from the first look, I was like, that's actually not what I want for my wedding day. So it's nice to know those things before your actual wedding day.
Exactly. So I just want to tell anybody who's on the fence of hiring a professional to just think about their experience. Think about your expectation for your wedding day, the experience that you want to have.
Yeah.
And just having somebody there to take care of all that for you helps you to enjoy the day, to have your me time or your time with, surrounded by your mom and your people, and really take it in and enjoy the day.